In this quick plate spinning tutorial, we're gonna be learning how to balance a plate in our hand. If you're new to this channel, this is very similar to feather balancing or newspaper balancing or any type of balancing that takes place in the palm of your hands. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the plate spinning in any method we choose. We're gonna take our hand flat out like a pancake, put the stick in our hands, look at the top of the plate, and balance. Now, just like with feather balancing, if the plate moves left, my hand moves left. If the plate moves right, my hand moves right. If it moves forward, I move forward. If it moves backward, I move backward. And we always keep our eye on the center of the plate. And that is how to balance a plate in your hand.